Hi, mommies! I'd like to share with you our newest breast pump that you can buy from our store. So, this is Doopser 8003D-2. Mga 6 months ago, nag-introduce kami ng new colors, ng limited edition colors before in green and pink. And super naubos siya kagad such that we brought another color now in candy pink. Ayan. Super nice niya. Ayan. Kitang-kita niyo mga mami sa super small lang siya. Actually, ito yung reason kung bakit type na type ko to eh. Super small. Anyway, daanan natin lahat ng mga parts that will be included in your set. You have the motor. Ito. You have two bottles and flanges. Actually, you will get a pair of flanges. This one is in 24 mm. Let me remove this one. This is the upgraded flange of Doopser. Kung mapapansin mo, meron na nakalagay na 20, ayan, baliktad ko nga. Ayan, 24 mm. And this one is also, ayan, 24 mm. So, yung mga flanges that you will be getting from us already have that. At least for 24 mm ha. 28 mm, ganito rin yung itsura, pero walang nakalagay na 24 mm. Now, ang nice dito is that upgraded din yung silicone kasi tingnan mo, super soft niya. Tsaka parang sobrang, it will cushion yung suction. And that makes it more pain-free for mommies kapag halimbawa nagpapump kayo with this set. Now, this set will have flanges in 24 mm and 28 mm. I suggest you try them both kung ano man yung mas comfy sa inyo. So, at least you can try that home. So, there, may mga kasama pa rin ito. Your usual nipple, bottle cap, ayan. Na kung halimbawa, you're outside and you want to close this one, you want to make it like a storage bottle, may sealing disc ka pa. Ito, you can use this, ayan. This is a USB adapter, so even if you don't have this, you can charge it with your power bank. Ayan. Spare parts. Ayan. Tapos you have the tubing. And you have the instruction manual also. Now, what is new about this set and what is new about, kung titignan mo, dito lang siya i-offer, is that we will be also including this one, the single tubing. Which means if you prefer to pump using single pump lang, simply use this. Okay. Attach. And you're good to go. Diba? So, that's one. So, pwede mo siyang gawing double electric, single electric pump, and now we'll also even include a manual pump, manual handle. All you need to do is remove this. Ayan. Attach it like that. Ayan. Ayan. Mapapansin nyo, ayan. And then, tadan! Now, kung halimbawa walang may mga mommies na prefer na, mag-pump manually. See? Manual. Nice, diba? You get all of this in this set. And, sige, let's try this. Ipagana natin to. So, you will see how it sounds also. Ay, hindi. Buksan ko na lang. Ayan. So, this one, as I shared with you, it's small. It's also silent. Naririnig nyo ba? Mas maingay pa yata yung kusina namin eh. Ayan. Yan. So, this one is you are in massage mode. Yan. Actually, medyo, yan. If you want to go on expression mode, just click that one or just touch that one and increase your suction. It also goes all the way up to 9. Yan. This one also has a memory. So, kapag halimbawa, close ko at inopen ko, it remembers where your last session is. Ayan. So, mag-ingat sa mga mommies na halimbawa, magpapump. Ayan, ay, si Shopee, tinatawag na ako. Anyway, ayan. Magpapump. Baka masyado malakas. So, make sure that when you open, put it again in 1. Ayan, magsa-start ulit siya. There you go. Now, what I usually do, may auto mode din siya. I just let it run. Para, it goes through the massage mode and everything. It prepares you for the milk letdown. So, ayan. Hintayin lang natin siya mag-change to 2 para makita natin yan. O, sige, bababa ko muna. So, there. Again, ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo that is again 5. So there. From there hindi na siya magi-increase. At this point, you can adjust it already. Ayan. So meron ka mga 2 to 3 minutes na magmamassage. And I recommend that you go through it para ma-trigger ang milk letdown. Ayan. So I want level 7 siguro, 8 or 9. Or kung halimbawa gusto ko pa, I just change it. Ayan. That's it. Thank you. And I hope to read your comments about it. I super love this. It's super handy. It even fits my pocket. So there.